Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. I want to move this old Zmodo camera from there up to just under that light. I think will be a good spot because we want to be able to see down over that hill a bit. We have a feeding station back there and we feed deer and raccoons and such. So we want to be able to see that a little better. And I have a new camera that I'm going to put up there. Just some stuff laying there from another project I was working on. So we will see how this goes. I didn't want to drill any holes in my vinyl siding, so I got these little hooks. This is a 304 stainless steel, which is a little better quality stainless. All of these hooks are not made out of 304 stainless. This particular hook is. I also wanted a fairly small hole. Didn't want to get a hook with a big old hole there that would result in a loose fitting bracket when I put my Zmodo bracket on there. And these are pretty slick. They just hook up under there like that. And that'll do it. And I drilled that hole out with a 9/64 drill bit because I'm going to use a 1/8 inch pop rivet to hold this up. You want to be careful because these hooks are quite sharp. When they stamp them out, they don't file the edges or anything on these, so that could really cut you. Want to make sure you have a nice sturdy glove to hold that little hook as you're drilling the hole out if you wind up going that way. The screws that come with this bracket for the Zmodo camera, those screws just, it tears them up trying to screw them down in there. So that I don't think is going to work for you. That's why I'm using these 1/8 inch pop rivets. I believe that that is about a 1/4 inch long pop rivet. So we'll start hooking this up, see how it goes. So that little bracket isn't going to hold a tire swing, but I think that will hold a Zmodo camera just fine. The connection that connects to the camera on this extension cord worked fine. It closed up nice and tight. This other end of this cable, for some reason, that where it plugs into the power supply, had a little bit of a gap there. So because this is outside, I thought I would put a little bit of this shrink tube on here. Camera's all hooked up. Those little mounting brackets worked great. Real happy with that. Didn't have to drill any holes in the vinyl. And I just brought that wire down, tucked it in this bit of trim, brought it across, continued over, tucked it into this side piece of trim, brought it down, plugged it into the outlet. So if you have a camera that you would like to mount onto your vinyl anywhere on your house and you don't want to drill any holes, those little 304 stainless steel mounting brackets work really well. This is John from fixitforgetit.com. I appreciate you coming along on this project. I'll have some affiliate links in the description for some of the items I used on this project, and we will see you in the next video.